So at least the gas is working again, so I'll probably get some coffee and some hot meal before I start. It's not cold today. That's good. While I'm waiting for my water to boil, I will show you the map where I'm going today. So today we're starting right here on the edge of the map, following the blue line slightly downhill. It's going to be limited visibility, but luckily they have put some poles along the route, so I'll be able to find my way easily. No maps needed. And then all the way down here, slightly downhill, all the way towards Kongsvoll. And here, when I get back in under the tree line, it gets quite steep, so I have to be careful there. And then right here on the edge here, on the other side of the edge, is Kongsvoll, where I take the train home. Here we go. Bye, camp place. Here we go. Bye, camp. Last camp of the trip. It's really hard to see how I'm moving other than this pole. I almost get motion sickness from it. Sometimes I think I'm moving and I stop. Downhill. It's looking menacing from here. There's some decent downhill. It's hard to see any in here. I've put on the skins to slow me down a little bit. It's a bit tight. So hopefully I can just relax and float all the way down. It's a bit bumpy. So I'm just walking down here. It's just a bit too steep with the pilk and everything. Ugh. As you can see. Who would have thought I would see a muskus on the final part of the trip? Isn't he beautiful? Not too bad. See him here by the side of E6. There's a train station. We're here. This is the end of my trip. These are packed up, bunched together. That means the trip is over. Hope you enjoyed the series. Don't forget to like and subscribe.